anybody can see it. Say me I overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all have say, why make you clean so? Y'all have say, why make you clean so? High grade smoke a flow through me window. Me I overdo it. Woman I feel, love me style, let me smell me cologne from my mind.
Cho, come on. Hey, what up, vlog world? You don't know. No. You know, it's your girl Melika Skylife in the building. Now we have Punky Skylife in the building.
I say, tapping a doodoo.
I lie, I tell.
True.
What up, vlog world? Wagwan. Big up on yourself. Yo, you subscribe? Oh my god, if you just subscribe, I love you so freaking much. Like, so thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing. Why? You're so nice. Punky, I'm tired of free.
Look how we are walking. No way, no.
You tired too?
Yeah.
So,
We duck them.
where you duck them? I'm not turning on my camera for see them. Them pick, you know?
Them pick. Where you going to?
You carry, you wally camera.
What up, vlog world?
Punky, why are you alone in your bag?
Woo. Well,
Me
yeah.
look good. Me smell good. Me body up there. Me a wife material. We no take bone. We only buy bone. We no give bone. Because we look good. You don't know it's so funny. So, we are on our way in town. So funny, come over here so I'm put you on the camera. We are on our way in town. We're gonna deal with some stuff,
And thing.
you know. Damn, I look good today. Oh crap, right there's some muddy. Come back, Punky, come back. Come and walk around this one.
Let me go in the man.
Look, come in and set my shoes.
Wait there. You want here white?
You have tissue?
I may do that. Use bathroom?
You have wipes?
No.
Gonna baby.
No.
Punky, you pretty, no?
Put it on the phone screen. Mesa. I lie, man. Me supposed to have a piece of tissue. I'm going to use wipe in your face and in Gabi.
So we're walking on the road. We're gonna go to our drive, and we're gonna go in town, deal with some stuff. Stephanie has back to school, and
We not deal with nothing with school right now.
you not go up at Jamaica.
Go do it.
Mummy not say if we collect your uniform,
Yes, I'm not telling no lie for money.
and she says to forget you lady your Simon.
And that alone, mommy said, you really do your side money.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, shout out to all my peeps in the building. You know, guys, I have something coming up for a charity event. I need you to stay tuned to that, because guess what? It's very important to give back, and that's one of the principles I have in myself. Like, I love to give back, because guess what? The more you give, the more you receive without you even know it. I'm if I tell you. Anyways, we're walking on the road, and yada. About 3 times now I say that.
And I'm not a shit, this is.
Why?
It's a taxi.
Where?
Sykes. Me no give bone. Me only take bone. Shit, I don't know we are on.
Oh gosh. I'm gonna get my eyebrows done today, finally, from when Mr.
Yeah, get the eyebrow done?
Yeah, me I go for eyebrow one.
Me I go up on my phone, man, because I need my phone today. I mean, I left it.
You know, some late.
No, I feel your phone, me I'll fix. What wrong with you?
No wrong with it.
That them for, not true.
I don't know if you go get it back at the same time.
Me a weird funny, me say.
Guys, I love to smile. I'm just gonna tell you some things I like to do. I like to sing. Me ever they sing, I
Yes,
can't
sir.
sing.
What else you love do?
I'm not a good singer, but I love to dance, and I can dance. I must say that. I'm a very good speaker. Like, I love how I transition from Patwa to English more while, you know. So I like to speak to people. You know, motivational stuff, upliftment stuff. That's what I mean. What else? I love enough stuff.
I love eat. Remember that.
I love eat. I like
I love
food.
Eat.
I like to consume meals. Way.
How me love do?
Chat foolishness.
Lie.
What you love though?
Me love
Pretty up.
Yeah, me love pretty up. Me love put on the mascara and the lipstick and you
Shit,
know.
well on the way, I'll cross on river here, so come back running so funny.
You want? But see me have your umbrella.
Like the road is so bad. I don't know what the government is doing. Like seriously, I think I need to go into politics and fix this stuff.
Yeah, you must think that's how you go.
Wait, a $3,000 for me become a candidate. I'm just go sign up and see.
US.
Jamaican. Guys, so guess what? Rain or fall, I'm stressed out. So
I'm stressed out and I need my friend.
just go sign
You
off your son.
understand? I mean the
Until
word
then.
I
Hey,
mean the
people,
word.
hello.
My name is Punky, aka Stephanie, aka Punky. Yeah. We're anyways, we're on our way in town. This is Malika over there. Yes, clean to the bone. Yes, man, clean like a eyeball and thing. So it is so pouring, like heavily.
And you walk,
What?
and you walk,
Yes, and I'm walking.
and it's pouring and you're walking.
Yeah, so what you want me to do? Running?
Alright.
Anyways, yes. We soon reach on the main road now. So we soon get drive and think leaving. Then I deal with the wire. I'm afraid the wire and the rain, you know. Watch your wire, watch your wire, watch your wire. Anyways, yeah. Feel hungry, me feel like, yeah. Me feel
Somebody called you and spoiled a
yes, Ziggy, everybody know me, you know. I have to just backside Mesa. Sorry. Good evening, David.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, auntie. Yes, so them a deal with this something. Nearly fling it on power, you know, boy. I not take them things that lightly, you know? And thing. I'm not that polite like Mesa and Chantel. Like, you know, the other girl who always company vlog. I'm not polite, so. Some people, they feisty. So, me feisty too.
Wait,
Where polite I go?
I love show up the people them, you know them people there what see up on road and then go on like they don't see like they don't want to see morning. I love frighten them like say them a walk past like so. And go like they don't see me just morning and they're like good morning. They feel shame.
No, so they don't feel shame. They
They
feel like
feel
them are
it.
somebody.
When
You
they
see,
see
like
somebody.
me, you know, my point of view, I don't do them things. Me run this. People don't run me. And it hurt me right now, so you know, say vlog soon cut off and thing. Reach I main road, I'm sure need. Main road and thing, trees them. Yeah. See one car behind me, look like my uncle. I say your head too big. Watch it.
You sure you're recording?
Yes, backside. Oh, yes, I'm recording. Uncle Clive, that away the old school on the seat here, that I green shop. As you can see green. And think this a punky. So mommy cussed me this morning. Me can't take a young lady, man. Anyways, bye-bye vlog world. I'm out. Skylife TV. Oh, and you guys please remember to subscribe. Stop. Look down, subscribe.
We are at the doctor's office now. Punky go check our eye. That's
Because Thursday would be in a month, so it would be Thursday before.
she has to fill out the paper.
Wednesday is in a month, but it's Thursday before we send out anything. So you have to get all our reports in there.
Put them at a number. What phone number you have?
You put for me? You put for me. Put your mother number.
You look like girl.
You know, say mommy never pick up her phone. Me have my glasses here for pick up, you know. Relationship. Oh, mother.
So we're gonna deal with that now.
54742.
Hello, girl. We're gonna deal with that now. I don't think I'm gonna test mine today because I already tested mine and I'm supposed to pick up my glasses.
May Saturday, which date?
No, 29.
May Saturday, 29. May Twitch.
Anyways, yeah, so dealing with that. Wait, people. Yeah, just you know, Monday here. My eyes hurting, you know, but I have to finish my eye drops first and stuff. So yeah, dealing with that. So guys, I'm gonna sign out. So she just got her eye drops to settle her pupils, and I thought it would burn her and she couldn't see because that happened to me when I did my testing. Punky has a good. Good, nothing wrong with her. And stuff. So me can't believe. Over there, I go and wait. I have to do over my eye testing all
Clean
over.
like a eye bar.
My eye testing all over again because they were saying that I waited too long to come for my glasses, so I have to do it over. So I have to wait until the weekend to do that because I won't be able to see properly. I don't know when you drop in my eye, burn me. So we're doing that now. Yeah, so keep it locked, guys. Keep it locked.
Anyways, black girl, Icky Keen, me can't hardly see me and tell her. Looking at me eye for us, you know. Clean like a eyeball. Anyways, me can't see say blow on mesa, you know. Can't see say this a mesa. Yeah. It's a neck. But boy, I can't hardly see, man. Mesa, take out and find writing memory for them.
How Successful People Win. Great book by John C. Maxwell. This is my brain food, yo. Anyways, Punky, read something. Read this funny book.
Alright, see back there, people. If you can't see it, boy, without if you can't see it. Anyway, may I read? Mesa, move the book for me face.
Come and turn on the camera. She's gonna try and read something now.
They kind of nervous. When nobody think I read, me can't read it now, so me can't see.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Just read something funny about now.
May I read yours, so guys?
They're so big.
How successful people will turn enter every setback into a step forward. Now look if me right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Yeah, them big but I'm still working.
You're too close to the camera. Read something on your back. Let me show on your back. Back sort of sign for you, man.
I say a wicked man. Alright, let me read this here. If you start off, you know, like a race. A minute with Maxwell.
You can't see. Punky, alright, stop until the doctor come.
You see, you're going to mash up me and you.
Have a hard time seeing things up close?
No, not really.
Not really, okay. All right, come over here. You can sit there, man.
Yes, thank you.
those numbers look to you.
So Punky dealing with her phone now, her phone not turn on. And stuff, so we are waiting for the phone.
Yes.
We're gonna flash it.
So me not leaving.
And so,
I heard my heart, you know.
I give you over.
Yeah, man, we know, man.
Look who's here! Back at it again! Punky, I go going now. You look good. I wipe the one wipe off. We are going to.
It's just us two, no more Jeremy.
So me I put up the phone, I don't want to take it. Thank you so much for stopping by Melika Skylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.